Well, we're taking our usual evening walk over here at the Rio Grande. We got a little bit of sunshine left in the day, and there's a slight breeze. And like always, we're watching, looking for the wildlife.
Lots of ducks overhead.
Well, I wish I could track them the way you do, but I can't.
Well, they're far away. You can hear them though, sometimes.
It's hard to track a duck this far away because you have to zoom in on them.
That's true. Hey, can I go over there?
Sure.
I want to take some shots where the blue or purple asters are.
Oh, okay.
Mountain top. So here's that purple asters. I want to shoot with it.
Got your asters?
Yeah,
All
purple
right.
asters. Pretty nice.
What made you decide to go to the river today? I wasn't sure you'd want to come over.
Oh, I just wanted to flex my legs.
Ah,
Get a little walk.
yeah. It's
I
a good...
was sleepy and then I wasn't. I just thought, maybe I could use a walk or something. What made you want to come?
Because you wanted to come with me?
Oh, okay.
I mean, if you were willing to go, I'd go anywhere.
All right.
You know, that's how I feel about
'Cause
it.
I think the mountains, because it's still hot, I don't think there's not much over there.
No.
Because it's at the end of summer.
Good shade tree.
Yeah, it's cottonwoods.
Keep getting little gnats want to fly up my nose.
You want to pick a deer in?
When I get up to the chair, yeah,
Okay.
I'll take some of that.
Because if you put some picker written on you, they don't bother you.
Yeah.
You don't like it.
Well, it's pretty quiet here today.
It's quiet.
You know, I do hear the car traffic in the background, but it's not bad.
It's a Wednesday. Not too bad.
I don't hear any tractors or any water pumps going or anything like that.
No, it's kind of quiet, which is good. And we're walking in the shade right now of the cypress.
Yeah.
So you've got some evaporation.
I wonder when it's going to cool off, because you know what I heard or read?
Yeah.
99 degrees tomorrow.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Well, it's good then that we took this little walk today,
Yeah.
because it'll be hot tomorrow. Well, you know, there's a hurricane coming to Florida called
Yeah.
Helene.
Yeah.
So they've got another hurricane coming. You know, they've got problems already with the insurance. So if that does a lot of damage, I guess insurance is not going to kick in for them.
Mm.
So that's going to be a real problem for homeowners. So, yeah.
Can you get flood insurance in Florida?
Not right now.
No.
Flood insurance, wind insurance, I don't think. You might be able to get earthquake insurance because they don't have any.
I thought the government offered flood insurance.
Well, they have a state type of insurance, but I think it's very high.
I wonder if New Mexico offers flood insurance.
You know, I don't know.
Sounded like a killdeer to me.
Yeah, it sounds
That
like
bird.
Sounds like it's in the river too.
Mm-hmm.
They normally don't go in the dry areas. They go where there is water, sandbank or something.
Yeah.
Oh, you like it because the bench over there, they we usually park ourselves in is in the shade.
Yeah, being in the shade always helps the, you know, the photo shots, because we're shooting into the sun. Kind of makes the ducks and everything look black.
Yeah, yeah. Well, you know, you're not supposed to shoot into the sun.
I know. But since we're on this side of the river, we don't have a choice.
Still have high water here.
Yeah. I don't know when they'll shut the water off. I thought they'd already have it shut off.
I thought so too.
But this water apparently is not coming from Elephant Butte. It's coming from Caballo.
I see.
Caballo Lake. Yay, we made it. And here's where we're going to set up camp. Right here.